The Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive big brake upgrade kit for the front axle of the 70 Series LandCruiser converts the factory 4-piston caliper and disc to a 6-piston monoblock caliper with a larger 340mm Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake disc rotor and Ultimate brake pad set. The front kit also features Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake hoses to both the calipers, as well as upgrades the front and rear diff drop brake hoses. Meanwhile, the rear upgrade kit replaces the single piston caliper with a 4-piston monoblock caliper and includes a set of 345mm Ultimate 4-wheel drive disc rotors and Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake pads. This kit is also supplied with the rear Ultimate brake hoses to both of the calipers. All 70 Series LandCruiser owners who want this upgrade must be fitted with a minimum 17-inch wheel size to clear the new calipers. While the installation of the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive big brake kit for the front and rear axle is a straightforward process for a qualified mechanic, it needs to be carried out by a workshop that is able to organise an engineer's report post the installation in New South Wales, Victoria, Tasmania and South Australia, or if you live in Queensland or Western Australia, they need to be able to fit the LG1 mod plate. Contact Bendix to find a list of our recommended installers for the Ultimate 4-wheel drive big brake upgrade kit for the 70 Series LandCruiser.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.